friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're venturing on my channel for the first time today, hi, hello, and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave today, but I actually have my makeup on today. It's been like the first time in a month since I've sat down and actually put on a full face of makeup. I have a friend's bridal shower to go to today, so that's why I am looking like an actual human being instead of a little gremlin in my sweatpants laying down in bed all week. But since I have my makeup on, I thought it'd be a good time to finally film my spring FabFitFun unboxing. I think this is officially the tiniest box I have ever received for my FabFitFun, so it's making me a little bit nervous on if this is actually still worth it or not, or if I should cancel my subscription before I get charged for the next year. So let's go ahead and open this up and see if this is still worth it. So the price has increased again for FabFitFun, and I think the next time I get charged for the full year, because I'm like the annual member, the price is going to go up. I don't know off the top of my head, but I will just write it down here. But yeah, so this is a really small box, and I feel like we used to get some really like big boxes in the past, and that they were like stuffed full with things, and this is really tiny. I forgot what I got, so I'm going to have to go onto the app and look and see what everything is and how much everything is. And I think this is also their birthday box, so I thought it was going to be like a little bit better, maybe some freebies and stuff, but I don't think that's going to be the case. Alright, the first thing that is in the box is the Lumina NRG 3-in-1 Eye Lift. It is worth $149. I think I chose this because literally I didn't know what to choose. I didn't like any of the options, but I figured, maybe I'll try this, maybe I'll have some benefits, and I'm not actually paying $149 for it. But this says it's a hot treatment. It accelerates blood circulation, reduces dark circles and puffiness underneath the eyes, and increases absorption of skincare products. So this might be something that I will add into my routine at nighttime because I don't have time for this in the morning. And before I go to bed and do my skincare routine, I can use this. I feel like I want this to work, but I feel like it's also just BS, and it's just, there's a lot of BS and nonsense in the beauty world, so I never know what is actually going to work or not. Okay, so let's see. It says there's 3 working modes. There's vibration with the hot compress and the red light. It's a triple effect care, whitening, and skin rejuvenation, anti-wrinkle, reshaping the elasticity of the eye muscles. Then you can just do hot compress and red light. The hot compress wakes up the sleeping eye muscles, and the LED red light care enhances cell activity, promotes collagen regeneration, repairs damaged cells. Or you could just do the vibration and the hot compress. It says 10,000 times per minute, high frequency vibration massage, around 100 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, constant heating to wake up the sleeping eye muscles and accelerate the absorption of nutrients. So it says to use, you take an appropriate amount of eye cream and spread it evenly on the skincare area. Long press the power button to switch it on. You can press the positive and minus to adjust the temperature. And you hold the upper part of the device body. Use massage head as shown. After each time, turn it off and wipe it off. So it's not just under eyes. So in the little diagram, it says that you can obviously do the under eye here. You can do the cheeks here. You could do like above the eyebrow, and you can even do it up on your neck. Ooh. It is vibrating. And it's warming up. I don't want to put it on my skin right now because I have makeup on, obviously. Okay, ooh, yeah, that's warm. That actually might like feel really nice, especially to help kind of reduce puffiness. And obviously it has a little charging cord. I'm very curious. I don't know if it's going to work, but it's going to be fun to play around with. And I don't mean that way, you dirty, filthy thinkers. Okay, anyways, that was $149. Let's move on to the next most expensive thing. Okay, so I think I remember choosing this one. This is the Commodity Gold Expressive Fragrance for $70. I like kind of more spicier scents, so I don't know what the scent is. So there's 3 different scent spaces, as it says. There's personal, expressive, and bold. So this is the expressive one. So like people around you are gonna smell it, but like I don't think it's gonna be overpowering to everyone. I don't know, I have to be careful with certain fragrances because my fiance is like really sensitive. But I also like, yes, I'm that person. I want to find like a cute packaged perfume that I can wear for my wedding day. So I want to venture out and get like a nice perfume. But like I also want something, because I don't really like spend money on perfume. I usually just use like Bath & Body Works body sprays. But I want like a really nice perfume. So that's what she looks like. Glass. And, ooh, that's like a heavy cover. Ooh, I like that. I can't tell you what the scent profile is because I'm not like a scent expert. Ooh, that was a lot. But it's definitely more my speed. It's more of like the spicy, more manly smelling kind of perfume, if that makes sense. It's not like fruity, it's not floral, it's not sweet. It's kind of more like spicy, woodsy kind of scent. I honestly really like that. That could be a contender actually for the wedding, but like I don't know, it's not like really cute packaging for like what I want for like my flat lay of all the details. But I really do like that. I have to take my sister out to Sephora and we have to like go perfume shopping together, but I really do like this scent. Because I went to like Ulta and I didn't find a single one that I actually liked. Alright, the next product is from Too Faced. It's the Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Eyeliner for $24. I've never actually tried this eyeliner before. I'm not going to put it on today, but yeah, I mean, I like the Better Than Sex mascara. This is supposed to be 24-hour non-fading. It's waterproof, flake-proof, non-smudging, and an easy glide formula. So yeah, and it's just in the deepest black shade. Pretty basic right there. Alright, the next thing I chose, because there was really nothing else that I liked. Like, I didn't really like a lot of the selections. So I just went with another shower gel because I finally used up the last one I had in the box. And this is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Shower Gel in Sea Kissed. And this is worth $23. Oh, that smells like the beach. I really like this scent. I'm very excited to actually use that because like when I don't have a special shower gel from FabFitFun, I use like the Equate version of Dove's moisturizing, fragrance-free, sensitive skin moisturizing shower gel. But it literally smells like nothing. So sometimes I like to switch it up and have something that smells nice. Alright, next thing is from Zoe Isla. It's a spa headband. This is $15 and I already have one, but I kind of wanted another one that I can switch in and out of. And this is just, you know, a headband that you can pull your hair up when you're doing skincare stuff. It is Velcro, which I like because the one I have isn't Velcro, so I have to like slide it over my face. So if I have a full face of makeup on, I usually get makeup on it. And this one's purple. You can just wear it as you take off your makeup and do your skincare. So I'm actually kind of excited about that. The last thing are some Glamnetic reusable press-on nails. I always question if these are reusable or not because I feel like I can never actually get multiple uses out of them. But these are $19.99 and they're in the shade Creamer. So it's just like a basic nude. If I had more time today, I would use them, but I have to leave in like 15 minutes to go to the bridal shower. But yeah, just basic ones. I like wearing them just for simple occasions because I don't obviously do my nails. I think that is everything. Obviously there are coupons and stuff. We have Pepper, which is bras, 20% off your order of $100 or more. How expensive are the bras? Another HelloFresh thing. And then we have FabFitFun Ultimate Prize Pack valued at $10,000. Play for your chance to win. Yeah, I like doing scratch-offs. But I don't like paying for them because I never win anything. So I need, I don't know, I have scissors here. I guess I can like use that to scratch. Okay, so I'm far from a winner at all. I did not match any of the cakes. And then the bottom says, sorry, not an instant winner. So, yay, 10 years of FabFitFun and I get nothing for it. I also had FabFitFun reach out to me and say, asking if they could use some of my content for future things. And I had to like fill out this form and say like, yeah, I agree. But I haven't seen them post anything related to my stuff that I've posted before. So I don't know if they actually used any of my content, but whatever. The total value of this box was $300.99. It's because of the eye thing basically and like the perfume. So $300 is a great deal, but again, like I'm not really excited about a lot of it. The eye thing is interesting. Like I prefer not, like I don't need it. Like it's gonna be fun to play around with. I am excited about the perfume. I really do like that. Nails, I like occasionally having some fake press-on nails. I do like the headband and the Better Than Sex eyeliner. I don't even know if people like this one or not, but I mean, it's like the Better Than Sex line, so usually people like it. And then the shower gel. So like, that's it. Like we got 6 items and it was $300. So like, it's worth a lot, but like we're not getting as many items. I feel like I almost want more items than I do like big ticket items. I don't know what I want. But like, I'm not overly happy about this box, but I'm also not disappointed, so. I don't really get a lot of subscription boxes, so like this is the only one I like to hold on to, so I might just keep it for now and see where it goes in the next year and then reevaluate again at the end of the year. Well, that is everything for today's little unboxing video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. While you're at it, don't forget to ring the bell and turn on post notifications so you're notified anytime I post a new video. I love you guys and subscribe to my channel. I welcome you to the Feline family. Bye!